How safe are eVTOLs really? That's the question we're delving into today. As we navigate the vast skies of change, the introduction of eVTOLs, or electric vertical takeoff and landing aircraft, has brought forward a new set of challenges. Safety, being paramount, is an ongoing conversation in the world of aviation. Enter Jim Kira, a seasoned expert in eVTOL regulations, a man who's dedicated his life to ensuring our skies stay safe. Stay with us as we unravel the facts with eVTOL safety expert, Jim Kira. We have with us Jim Kira, an authority on eVTOL regulations and safety measures. Jim is a seasoned aviation expert with over 2 decades of hands-on experience in the field. He's been working tirelessly at the forefront of the eVTOL revolution, shaping the policies and procedures that will pave the way for the future of urban air mobility. Jim's unique blend of technical expertise and regulatory knowledge makes him an invaluable asset in the rapidly evolving field of vertical takeoff and landing technology. He has been instrumental in creating safety standards that are as groundbreaking as the eVTOLs themselves. His work is helping to ensure that as we embrace this new frontier of transportation, we do so with safety at the forefront of our minds. So, without further ado, let's dive into the intriguing world of eVTOL safety with Jim. Jim, could you first help us understand what eVTOLs are and why their safety is so crucial? Certainly, let's dive right into it. eVTOL is an acronym for Electric Vertical Takeoff and Landing Aircraft. Imagine a drone, but large enough to carry passengers. These aircraft are designed to take off and land vertically, much like a helicopter, but with the silent, efficient, and environmentally friendly operation of electric motors. Now, why are we talking about these futuristic flying machines? Well, eVTOLs are poised to revolutionize the way we travel, especially in urban environments. As cities become increasingly congested, the idea of a flying taxi that can whisk you from point A to B, bypassing ground traffic, is incredibly appealing. However, with this new mode of transportation comes a host of safety concerns. Unlike traditional aircraft, eVTOLs will operate in close proximity to urban infrastructure and, of course, people. This means that we need to ensure their operation is not just efficient, but also incredibly safe. Think about it. An eVTOL isn't just a larger drone. It's a complex piece of machinery that will be carrying people, not packages. That's why safety is such a significant concern. If something goes wrong, the consequences could be catastrophic. So, how do we ensure safety? Well, that's where stringent regulations come into play. These rules are designed to ensure that every eVTOL in the sky meets a high standard of safety, from the design of the aircraft to the training of the pilots. And it's not just about the aircraft and the pilots, it's also about the airspace. As we introduce more and more eVTOLs into our cities, we need to rethink how we manage our skies. We need to develop systems that can handle the increased traffic and ensure that every flight is safe and efficient. That certainly sets the stage for understanding the need for stringent safety measures. Now, let's delve into the safety measures in place for these airborne vehicles. First and foremost, let's talk about pilot training. Operating an eVTOL aircraft is not like driving a car. It's a complex task that requires a specific set of skills. To ensure the safety of everyone on board and on the ground, every eVTOL pilot must undergo rigorous training. They learn not just the technical aspects of flying, but also how to handle emergency situations, make quick decisions under pressure, and operate the aircraft safely in all weather conditions. Next, we move on to vehicle maintenance. Just like any other vehicle, eVTOLs need regular checkups to ensure they're in optimal condition. These checks include inspecting the vehicle's structure, systems, and components, from the electric propulsion system to the flight controls. The goal is to detect and fix any potential issues before they can cause a problem. And then there's the emergency protocols. In the unlikely event of an emergency, eVTOLs are equipped with safety features designed to minimize risk. For instance, many eVTOLs have multiple rotors. This design feature means that if one rotor fails, the others can continue to operate, allowing the aircraft to land safely. Other emergency protocols include automated systems that can take control if a pilot becomes incapacitated, and even whole aircraft parachutes that can bring the eVTOL safely to the ground. But it's not just about the technology. It's also about creating a culture of safety. This means fostering an environment where pilots, maintenance crews, and everyone else involved in eVTOL operations prioritizes safety above all else. It's about making sure that everyone understands their role in keeping the skies safe. These safety measures are indeed comprehensive, but as we'll see, there's more to the story. We've covered the basics, but what about the future? how is eVTOL safety evolving with technological advancements? As we look towards the horizon, we can see that the future of eVTOL safety is not only promising, but also incredibly exciting. With the rapid pace of technological advancements, the safety measures for these flying wonders are continuously being refined and improved. For instance, AI and machine learning are playing an increasingly significant role in eVTOL safety. These technologies are being used to develop more sophisticated flight control systems, capable of making split-second decisions that would be impossible for a human pilot. This not only enhances the safety of each flight, but also makes the entire eVTOL experience more efficient and seamless. Moreover, advancements in material science are leading to the development of lighter, stronger eVTOL designs. These new materials can withstand harsh weather conditions and are resistant to damage, thereby improving the overall safety of the aircraft. Alongside these technological innovations, there's also a focus on shaping new regulations for eVTOL operations. The goal is to integrate these vehicles into urban airspace without disrupting existing aviation systems. For instance, there are ongoing discussions about establishing sky lanes for eVTOLs, similar to how we have lanes on our roads today. Furthermore, the concept of urban air mobility, or UAM, is gaining traction. This is the idea of using eVTOLs for short-distance transportation within cities. As urban populations continue to grow, UAM could offer a solution to reduce congestion on our roads, while also providing a quicker, more efficient mode of transport. However, the successful implementation of UAM will require a significant evolution in eVTOL safety measures. This includes the development of advanced air traffic control systems, comprehensive pilot training programs, and rigorous safety standards for eVTOL manufacturing. But, with the concerted efforts of industry experts, regulators, and innovators, the future of eVTOL safety is indeed shaping up to be not just an exciting prospect, but a feasible one as well. The future of eVTOL safety indeed sounds promising. Our journey into the realm of eVTOL safety has been enlightening, to say the least. We've explored the nuances of eVTOL aircrafts, met the expert Jim Kira, and delved deep into the ongoing safety measures and future innovations. It's clear that the world of urban air mobility is evolving rapidly, with safety at its core. This continuous improvement in eVTOL safety measures is indeed shaping the future of our skies. Thanks for joining us today, and remember to subscribe to Brainiacata for more enlightening discussions. Fly safe. Before we sign off, we have a little something for you. We've taken you on a fascinating journey today through the evolving world of eVTOLs, their safety regulations, and the future of urban air mobility. We hope you've enjoyed this flight of fancy as much as we have in creating it. But the journey doesn't have to end here. It's now your turn to take the controls. We want to hear your thoughts. What do you think about these new safety measures for eVTOL pilots? Do you believe they're adequate, or is there more we could be doing? Is there anything else you'd like to learn about this emerging field of aviation? The comment section is your landing strip, so feel free to touch down and share your thoughts. And if you've enjoyed this video, why not give it a thumbs up? Your likes help us understand what content sparks your interest, and they help others find our videos too. So go ahead and hit that like button. Don't be shy. Sharing is caring, as they say. And if you found our video insightful, we encourage you to share it with your friends, family, or anyone who might find it interesting. Who knows, you might inspire a future eVTOL pilot or two. Lastly, if you haven't done so already, we'd love for you to join our Brainiacata community. Simply click the subscribe button and don't forget to hit the bell icon, so you'll be notified whenever we upload a new video. That way, you'll never miss out on the latest in eVTOL news, innovations, and insights. Remember, every interaction you have with us, whether it's liking, commenting, sharing, or subscribing, helps us bring more high-quality content your way. So let's work together to keep the conversation on eVTOLs and their impact on urban air mobility alive. That's all for today, folks. We'll be back with more intriguing discussions. Until then, keep your curiosity alive.